Hello, in front of me I've got Shark Attack R85HE. In this video I'll show you how to replace switches. To replace switches, we are going to use this switch replacement tool. Firstly, this part place over the key. And now pull the key out. Once it's done, this part place over the switch like this. Squeeze it, and now you can pull the switch. As you can see, the switches are not equipped with any pins, thanks to which you can easily install or uninstall them without worrying about the damages. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.